Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TikTok for privacy settings and secure login, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app has loaded, you will see the login screen. If you already have an account, enter your email or phone number and your password. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email or SMS. After entering your details, press the Login button. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile by tapping on the Me icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now, tap the three dots in the top right corner to access your settings. Scroll down to find Privacy. In the Privacy menu, you can adjust who can view your content. Consider changing settings for who can view my videos to friends or private. Review options for who can comment on my videos and set it to friends or off. You can also turn on direct messages to control who can send you messages. Be sure to check the Allow Others to find me settings and adjust them to your preference. For added security, return to the Settings menu and select Security. Enable two-factor authentication. You will receive a verification code by text or email every time you log in from a new device. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Once you've finished adjusting all privacy settings, revisit your profile. Check your account status to ensure you feel secure about your privacy on TikTok. To log out, go back to the settings and scroll to the bottom. Tap Log Out and confirm your choice. After logging out, if you wish to log back in, follow the earlier steps using your email or phone number and password. With these steps, your TikTok account will be more secure and your privacy settings are now customized to your liking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.